Height and distance of anything can be found by using trigonometric formulas. To find the height, we use trigonometry because the surface of the ground, the height of the object, and the line of elevation all together form a right angle triangle. Like in right angle triangle OAB, here you can write sin theta equals to perpendicular by hypotenuse, that is equal to AB by OB. Cos theta equals to base by hypotenuse, that is equal to OA by OB. Tan theta equals to perpendicular by base, that is equal to AB by OA. Cosec theta equals to 1 by sin theta, that is equal to OB by AB. Sec theta equals to 1 by cos theta, that is equal to OB by OA. Cot theta equals to 1 by tan theta, that is equal to OA by AB. So these are the basic trigonometric formulas. Now let's understand some important trigonometrical identities. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. 1 plus tan square theta equals to sec square theta. 1 plus cot square theta equals to cosec square theta. Now let's see this table. Values of t ratios. First, sin theta. Sin 0 equals to 0. Sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2. Sin 45 is equal to 1 by root 2. Sin 60 is equal to root 3 by 2. And sin 90 is equal to 1. Then let's see cos theta. Cos 0 equal to 1. Cos 30 is equal to root 3 by 2. Cos 45 is equal to 1 by root 2. Cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2. And cos 90 equals to 0. Then we'll see tan. Tan 0 equals to 0. Tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3. Tan 45 equals to 1. Tan 60 is equal to root 3. And tan 90 is not defined. In fact, tan theta equals to sin by cos theta. Then let's see angle of elevation. Suppose a man from a point O looks up at an object P, placed above the level of his eyes. Then the angle which the line of sight makes with the horizon O is called the angle of elevation of P as seen from O. So angle of elevation of P from O equals to AOP. Then we'll understand angle of depression. Suppose a man from a point O looks down at an object P, placed below the level of his eyes. Then the angle which the line of sight makes with the horizon O is called the angle of depression of P as seen from O. So the angle of depression in this figure is AOP. Now let's see some examples. Two ships are sailing in the sea on the two sides of a lighthouse. The angle of elevation of the top of the lighthouse is observed from the ships at 30 degree and 45 degree respectively. If the lighthouse is 100 meters high, the distance between the two ships is 173 meters, 200 meters, 273 meters or 300 meters. The right option is option C, 273 meters. Let's see how. Here let AB be the lighthouse and CD be the position of the ships. Then AB equals to 100 meters and angle ACB equals to 30 degree and angles ADB equals to 45 degree. These are the given parameters. Now as we know, AB by AC equals to tan theta, that is equal to 1 by root 3. That implies AC equals to AB into root 3, that is equal to 100 root 3 meters. Then AB by AD equals to tan 45, that is equal to 1. That implies AD equals to AB, that is equal to 100 meters. So here we got the value of AC and AD. So let's find the value of CD, that is equal to AC plus AD, that is equal to 100 root 3 plus 100 meters. That is equal to 100 into root 3 plus 1, that is equal to 100 into 2.73, that is equal to 273 meters. Next question. An observer 1.6 meter tall is 23 root 3 meters away from a tower. The angle of elevation from his eye to the top of the tower is 30 degree. The height of the tower is option A 21.6 meters, option B 23.2 meters, option C 24.72 meters or option D none of these. The right answer is option A 21.6 meters. Let's see the explanation and understand how. Now in this given figure, let AB be the observer and CD be the tower. Then let's draw BE which is perpendicular to CD. Then CE equals to AB equals to 1.6 meters. Then BE will be also equals to AC. that is equal to 20 root 3 meters. Now as we know, tan 30 equals to 1 by root 3, that is equal to DE by BE. So DE by BE is equal to 1 by root 3. That implies DE equals to 20 root 3 by root 3, that is equal to 20 meters. So we know the value of CE and DE. So CD equals to CE plus DE, that is equal to 1.6 plus 20 meters, that is equal to 21.6 meters. Next question. The angle of elevation of the sun when the length of the shadow of a tree root 3 times higher than the height of the tree is. The options are 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree or 90 degree. The right option is option A, 30 degree. Let's see how. Now in this figure, let AB be the tree and AC be its shadow. And let angle ACB equals to theta. Then AC by AB equals to root 3. Because it's given in the question. And AC by AB equals to cot theta also. That implies cot theta also equals to root 3. So theta equals to 30 degree because only cot 30's value is root 3.